245,000, a significant decline from what we saw last month of 638,000 unrevised. The forecast, as you mentioned, was for 460,000. The unemployment rate does drop as forecast to 6.7% from 6.9%, so there's a good data point in that. We do need to see what the overall labor force participation rate is, and I'll get to that as we go along here. And let me just quickly see what we got. The participation rate is up. The participation rate falls to 61.5 from 61.7, so that may explain some of the reason we're seeing a lower unemployment rate. Average hourly earnings up 0.3. That leaves us at 4.4% for the year, but of course that is dependent on the fact that there are fewer people who make less money in the payroll numbers at this point. Taking a look at some of the details here, the unemployment rate down by 8 percentage points from its high in April, but it's still 3.2% higher than it was in February. The number of persons on temporary layoff, and this is something everybody's been watching, has decreased by 441,000 in the last week to 2.8 million, down from 18.1 million in April, but 2 million higher than February. The number of permanent job losers at 3.7 million is little changed from the month before, still higher than it was in February. And the number of long-term unemployed is up by 385,000. These are people who have exhausted their regular unemployment benefits. The number of people who are, let's see, higher teleworking. This is always an interesting number.
Teleworking.
Up from 21.2% to 21.8%. So more people staying home to work from home. The number of payroll numbers for September revised up by 39,000, so better news, 711,000 in September. October, though, revised down by 28,000, so we have a net 11,000 additional employees over the 3-month period.